Welcome to Optimal Forest. This is 6:25 a.m. here in Nigeria. We are looking forward to buy good. As you can see, we have broken our protective trend line, and we are expecting gold to retrace back to this other block. This other block. We are expecting gold to come all the way here. We are buying gold from here. We are going to buy gold from here. When gold hit this region, we are going to buy from here at this trend line. We are going to buy gold from here and take it um, all the way up. So get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Uh, we're going to buy gold from this level. When gold come to this level, we're going to buy up here. We're going to buy up here. So that is it, guys. Uh, that is it, guys. We're going to buy go to this level. So get ready, guys. This is the update on gold. Uh, Today be the 22nd of July. This is the update of gold. So see you as we wait for gold to come to our buy zone. This other block, shaded other block. As soon as gold get back here, we're going to buy up to 4,160 price level. Thank you.